Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to enable or desktop right click content menu in Windows 11. So how to do this, let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay, now you can open a Windows 11. Now you can see data. This is a new interface of right click options. When you click on a show more option, then you can see that further option. So how to change old contents like a Windows 10 8 7. So how to do this, let's start it. First of all, in the search box type a registry editor. Open a registry editor, right click run as administrator. After opening that, first of all select a HKey current user and expand it. After doing this stat, select a software and expand it. After doing this stat, select a classes and expand it. After doing this stat, scroll down and find out a CLSID, select it and expand it. After doing this, right click on a new and press E. Now set a key name is bracket 86 CA1 AA0 dash 34 AA dash 4 E8 B dash A509 dash 50 C 905 BAE 2A2 and bracket close. Now after doing this, select it, right click on a new and press key. Now after doing this, type a INPROC SERVER 32. After doing this, select it and open it. Now also set no value and are selected default. Click on OK button and close it. And after doing this stat, restart your computer. Okay, after restarting your computer, now you can see that all contents is appears, and you can also on desktop now you can see that a refresh option. If you want to restore all look and options like Windows 11, now once again go to your search box and type a registry editor. And now after doing this stat, delete both, and you can also delete a. Now after doing this stat, restart your computer once again, and after restarting your computer, the Windows 11 looks and contents appear. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.